Четвертый класс, английский язык, звездный английский. Домашнее задание, урок 28, часть 2, страница 70-71. English, Starlight for homework, lesson number 28, part number 2, page number 70-71. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 70. The stone flower. Listen, point to the picture and say the word tears. Послушай, покажи на картинке и проговори слово tears. Listen and read the story. Послушай и прочитай историю. Katya goes again to Serpent Hill to look for some more stones. But she thinks about Danila again, and the tears fall down her face. Where are you, Danila? Why did you leave me? Then Katya looks around and she sees that the mountain is opening in front of her. This must be the magic garden, she says. Perhaps this is where my dear Danila is. Maybe I can see him again. Katya is sure that Danila is in the mountain. She starts to call out. Danila, where are you? Answer me. Suddenly the mistress of Copper Mountain appears and asks, Why did you come to my magic garden? If you need the stones, take what you want and go away. Katya is surprised to see her, but she is not afraid. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 71. Storyland. Exercise number 1. Read the story again and put the events in the correct order. Прочитай заново историю и поставь события в правильном порядке. Katya is not afraid of the mistress of Copper Mountain. Katya goes to Serpent Hill to look for some more stones. Suddenly, the mistress of Copper Mountain appears. Katya sees the mountain opening in front of her. Katya starts to call out to Danila. The answer B, E, D, C, A. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Find one mistake in each sentence, then correct them. Найди по одной ошибке в каждом предложении, затем исправь их. Sentence number 1. Katya goes to Serpent Hill to look for some more flowers. Number 1. The answer. Katya goes to Serpent Hill to look for more stones. Sentence number 2. Katya sees that the tree is opening in front of her. Number 2. The answer. Katya sees that the mountain is opening in front of her. Sentence number 3. Katya is sure that Danila is in the village. Number 3. The answer. Katya is sure that Danila is in the mountain. Sentence number 4. Katya is happy to see the mistress of Copper Mountain. Number 4. The answer. Katya is surprised to see the mistress of Copper Mountain. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Давай споем. I did not come here for the stones. I want Danila only. Please give Danila back to me. Without him, I am lonely. Please give me back my one true love. I know you do not need him. You put your magic spell on him, and only you can free him. I want what's mine and mine alone. I want Danila only. Please give Danila back to me. Without him, I am lonely. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.